Ndewonu ndị ọma na-ege m ntị. Ọmụ a bụ Nwaada Uju Bekee. Mma achọ ka ihe a na-ekwu ruo nwanne nwoke a na-akpọ Blord ntị. Mma sịkwa na ọgbọ ọgụ adịgo tight. Asịkwa nkwuo onye ma agwa gị bụ gị na nwatakịrị binia ludebe ọgụ. Ngịwa bụ onye nwere ihe iyi eluz. Njọ ahịa ya ajọ gị. Ọ naghị eme biznes ka isi eme. Nya na onwe ya bụ ihe ahụ na-eme ebe ọgụ ahụ na-alụgharị bụ ihe na-enye ya ego. Ọ ya na-enye ya ego. Ngịwa na onwe gị bidoro azụmahịa a eri mgbe ịgbara afọ 17. Ya na nwatakịrị bi na bịa mebisiere gị ya. Nke ọ bagoro na nke na o zurusha n'afa gị niile were ya mepee biznes. Anyị sị ka ịza afọ ahụ ihe abịakwụba ụgwọ. Mma sịkwa gị ọ bụrụ udo kpee n'udo. Chọọ n'olu na ya esi kpee udo. Very dark man enwekwa ihe ọ ya eluz. Ọkwa ngwa bụ ihe ya eluz. Chọọ n'olu na ya esi kpee udo. Ihe anụ a bụ ihe nna agwa gị dịka nwanne gị nwaanyị. Onye ma agwa gị dịka nwanne gị nwaanyị.
It's okay. Guys, Blord electric car has landed. The first set of Blord electric car. 4 out of 50 has landed. Come, let me show you. The bring this one, come my house, come.
Alright, so I'll start with this post on Facebook. This post by Mr. Linus Williams. So I watched the video. Maybe I didn't see it on time because Mr. Linus blocked me on Instagram. So I watched the video. It was a very nice video. In the starting of the video, a container came in. Mr. Linus approached the container, opened the padlock of the container, then they offloaded some small vehicles. Now, these small vehicles that were offloaded, I noticed that a name was inscribed on it. It was branded in a particular name called Blord, right? So as I watched the video, I was now reading the comments. Now in the comment section, people are now saying, oh, the car is 8 million naira. Very Dark Man should come and give us his own price because Very Dark Man usually sell things cheaper. Now, you see, I promised myself something. I don't talk to myself, say, you see, but I want to mind my business. I'm getting older, for crying out loud. For how long would I be doing this? Do you understand? I want to be minding my business, bro. So please, people should be careful with the kind of things you tag me on. However, you see, honestly, I didn't want to make this video. But for clarity purpose, and I don't want a situation where we say a lot of you will start going to court or some of you will get arrested. Yes, and this is really important, and this is no jokes. Now, while I was watching this video by Mr. Linus, there's a part of the video that is going to cause a lot of problems. And this is why I'm making this video, to create awareness and to protect some people, to prevent them from falling into problem. Do you understand? Now, let's watch the part.
This is Blord electric car. All right, we have the parts, we have the engineers, everything's on ground. This car can drive you a full day without charge. A full day without charge. All right, it is good for keke business. Want to do transportation business? It's very good. Come. All right, it is good for keke business. Want to do transportation business? It's very good. Come.
Now, in this part, while Mr. Linus is advertising the car, he said that particular car, the Blord car, according to him, can be used just the way they use keke. So the car can be used for transportation business. You see, that is where there's a problem. That is where there's a very big problem. If you buy this car